Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our Ramadan daily vlog, day two of Ramadan fasting. Alhamdulillah. It is 12:28 p.m. right now. I woke up. I woke up early. After I prayed Fajr, I didn't go back to sleep. I was editing a video, Ramadan daily vlog, day one. So I'm editing that video. I was editing that video, and I just got done a while ago. I didn't even think that it was gonna take me that long to edit that video, but surprisingly the time is going really fast. For today to be less busy compared to yesterday, I need to braid my daughter's hair, and I'm gonna see if I can sew the clothes that I was planning on sewing yesterday that I didn't get to. So hopefully I will get to do that today. If not, then it will be another day. I have work on Thursday, so before Thursday I need to get done with that. So we'll see, inshallah. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Shamsa and I'm a mom of 5. Here on my channel I upload videos on cleaning motivation, motherhood, lifestyle vlogs. So if you enjoy those type of contents, I would love to have you. So please hit that subscribe button. Be sure to turn on your post notifications so that way you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and families that might enjoy it. My husband leaves for work at 1, so I'm gonna prepare him something to take for iftar. Let me see your teeth. Why you locked it? Let me see, where's your teeth? Let me see. Let me see, come here, bring it here, show it to them. Put it on your palm. Put it on your palm. Is it your baby teeth? Let me see. Which one? Oh, that one. Ah, say ah. Oh, okay. Good job. Not fasting today, you know that? Because your teeth came out. You're bleeding, you can't fast. You should be excited, right? Are you excited? Maybe? Why do you have the baby soap? Give me. You see. Bah. What? So is this the new thing we're doing? Cute. What? Hey, Mako, hey. Bah. There's the cell. Bah. Don't touch my camera, please. Finally got done with braiding my daughter's hair. It is almost Asr time, so I'm gonna go into the garage and get some my sewing equipment so I can start to sew. I had to turn the chairs upside down because the baby kept on climbing the table.
فمن افترى فتنازعوا أمرهم بينهم وأسروا.
Okay guys, it's been a long time since I did sewing and I messed up on the neckline. I had to readjust it, but this is the way the dress is gonna look like. I have a couple of more that I need to work on, and I will fix them inshallah. I'm finally done sewing the dresses, guys. This took me forever. I really wanted to get it done. So the only thing that I have left is the pants. Can you guys quiet down? The only thing I have left are the pants for my husband. The ones that need to be hemmed at the bottom, but the dresses are done. This is a bati for me. This one. One too right here. A second one. I like this one. I burnt orange. I got this one right here. This orange tie-dyed one. The baby, I made her this one right here. Right now, I need to start preparing our iftar. I'm going to make some white rice. I'm going to use my pressure cooker. It's going to be a lot faster. So. I'm also gonna prepare some eggplant curry. One time I did a grocery haul video and I bought an eggplant, and one of y'all recommended that I make an eggplant curry, and mashallah, that tasted so good. I tried making it, so this would be like my third time making it. So it looks like this. Let get all of it off, but anyways, we're gonna cut our eggplant into a smaller pieces, chop it into smaller pieces. My kids don't like the eggplant, but I like it. I like to eat it, especially with the white rice, so that's why I'm making it. I'm gonna make them into cubes. So I'm going to be multitasking. This is how our eggplant looks. I'm going to set that aside. And here I'm going to chop up half of this onion. And here I have some chicken breast that I'm going to slice and make it into a fajita style so the kids can have it with the rice. So I have here my skillet. I'm going to put some oil on it. We're going to saute our eggplant. So we're going to put our eggplant aside. Onions that I chopped up already. We're going to also add some cumin powder. No measurement. Some curry powder, ginger paste. Gotta mix. I think it doesn't matter if you use a powdered one or. In here I have some coconut milk. Now I'm gonna add our eggplant. And I'm gonna put in some tomato paste. I'm gonna lower the heat. Simmer on low heat. This is just some bell pepper. And I have here some carrots. Add in. Finally get to sit down and enjoy my iftar. Having the rice. I'm having the rice with the chicken, the eggplant, and banana, of course. Yes, how can I help you, lady? What is it, banana? Yeah. Oh. Oh. I finally get to sit down, guys. It was a very busy day, another busy day, alhamdulillah. Day 2 of Ramadan is done. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and you like my content, please consider to hit that subscribe button and make sure to turn on your bell notification so that way you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in my other vlogs. Bye.